A number of technological advances have made it easier for persons with hearing impairment to communicate with and/or have access to information from the hearing world. This technological explosion includes hearing aids, cochlear implants, captioning, telephones, computer-assisted instruction, and the internet. Federal law requires that televisions over a 13-inch screen size must contain a chip to allow one to view captions without a decoder. Advocates, such as the National Association of the Deaf, continue to press for more and better captioning. In the past, people with hearing impairments have had problems using telephones, either because their hearing impairment was too great or because of acoustic feedback. Recently, text messaging with mobile phones has become a very useful way for those with hearing impairments to communicate. Another primary means of communications are text telephones. People can use a text telephone connected to a telephone to type a message to anyone else who has a text telephone. A special phone adaptation allows people with a text telephone to use the push buttons on their phone to type messages to people with a text telephone. The federal government requires each state to have a relay service that allows a person with a text telephone to communicate with anyone through an operator. Another telephone technology is video relay service. VRS enables people who are deaf to communicate with people who hear through a sign language interpreter, serving as an intermediary. For example, the person who is deaf can communicate and sign over television or video camera over the internet to the interpreter, who then speaks to the hearing caller and also signs the response back to the person who is deaf. The explosion of microcomputers is expanding learning capabilities for people who are deaf and their families. For example, visual displays of speech patterns on a computer screen can help someone with learning impairment to learn speech. DVD programs showing people signing are also available to use in learning American Sign Language. Another computer-based technology is C-print. With C-print, a person who hears uses an abbreviation system that reduces keystrokes to transcribe on a computer what is being said. The internet has also opened up a variety of communication possibilities for people who are deaf. We have emails, blogs, and instant messaging. And now we also have such sites as Facebook and Twitter, which help people stay within contact through social media.